Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So guys, T.I and his wife Tina takes their grandson King Jr. on his first private jet alongside with their son's baby mama.
And my honey took me to this place called Activate. I think I posted that last night. But I didn't get to post my video. It was so fun. Like, I would say if you want to go on like an active date night with your man or woman, you should definitely take them there. It was like just the two of us. You can go with the groups. You can go by yourself. And, you know, you can go with I wouldn't say go by yourself. I don't suggest nobody go anywhere by themselves for real. But I would say go with your man or woman, or go with like groups, friends. It was so fun. I can't wait to post it and let y'all see what was going on anyway. But anyway, are y'all in the A? Because the A is looking good, baby. It's time to get outside. Look at my grandbaby dress herself. She's so serious too. My mama been talking shit, but she thinks she fine. Come over here. And I did change my clothes because I don't know what.
I deleted it so you can wear your outfit.
You can play with oh, good.
Peace. Trying to be like me.
You play with
I'm looking at it, so I was thinking that it was we were done.
Baby K on the jet.
Hey, boy. King. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing, boy?
It is the Sunday.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Well, pull.
We were looking